I'm a bird photographer, also a bird watcher since my childhood. That's my whole life. Misty mornings, birds, beauty of nature. I love to take pictures. It's like hunting, but without killing. However, every time I press the shutter, I feel if I would be stealing something, if I would be getting into depth. And this is my wife. Yes, the one on the left. We run the Birds Asylum, where we rehabilitate birds of prey. 10 years already. As you look after your bird day by day, you make the connection, a deep connection. But soon comes a day when you have to break it up. Shall I tell you how I feel then? Have you ever lost your closest friend? Forever? Have you been losing friends every month? So why I do that? I've told you already. I'm a bird photographer, and that's how I pay off my debt I get into whenever I press the shutter.